Hello, viewers, welcome back. Your constant encouragement and appreciation has inspired me to come up with more useful and interesting topics. In this session, we will learn mental method of 4-digit multiplications. A little more practice will help you to work out long digit multiplications such as 3456 into 7894 in your mind itself. Here we go. Example number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2, 3, 4, 5. Look here carefully. On this side of rough calculation part, here we'll be doing all our calculations. Once you understand the calculation part, then we don't need this anymore. We will be doing all such calculations in our mind only, without help of any paper or pen. Let us train our mind. Now we will pick up one set of column 4 and 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Keep 0 here below this line and 2 in hand. This time we will pick up two sets of columns 4 5 and 3 4. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 4 into 4 is 16. 15 plus 16 is equals to 31. 31 plus 2 which we have in our hand is 33. Keep 3 here and 3 in hand. Similarly, we will pick up 3 sets of columns 4 5, 3 4 and 2 3. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 3 into 4 is 12. 10 plus 12 plus 12 is 34. 34 plus 3 which we have in our hand is equals to 37. Keep 7 here and 3 in hand. We'll pick up 4 sets of columns 45, 34, 23 and 12. 5 into 1 is equals to 5 plus 2 into 4 8 plus 4 into 2 8 plus 3 into 3 9. 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 is equals to 30. 30 plus 3 which we have in our hand is equals to 33. Keep 3 here and 3 in hand. Now we'll pick up 3 sets of columns from left 3 4, 2 3 and 1 2. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into 3 is 6. 4 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 16. 16 plus 3 which we have in our hand is 19. Keep 9 here and 1 in hand. This time again we'll pick up 2 sets of columns from left 23 and 12. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 which we have in our hand is equals to 8. Keep 8 here. Finally, we'll pick up one set of column from left 1 and 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Here you have total of 2893730. Example number 2. 2345 into 5678. Let us train our mind. Now we will pick up one set of column 8 and 5. 8 into 5 is 40. Keep 0 here below this line and 4 in hand. Now this time we'll pick up two sets of columns 5 8 and 4 7. 8 into 4 is 32 plus 7 into 5 is 35. 32 plus 35 is equals to 67. 67 plus 4 which we have in our hand is equals to 71. Keep 1 here and 7 in hand. Similarly, we'll pick up 3 sets of columns 5 8, 4 7 and 3 6. 8 into 3 is 24 plus 6 into 5 is 30 plus 7 into 4 is 28. 24 plus 30 plus 28 is equals to 82. 82 plus 7 which we keep in our hand is equals to 89. Keep 9 here and 8 in hand. Again, we'll pick up 4 sets of columns 5, 8, 4, 7, 3, 6 and 2, 5. 8 into 2 is 16, plus 5 into 5 is 25, plus 7 into 3 is 21, plus 6 into 4 is 24. 16 plus 25 plus 21 plus 24 is 86. 86 plus 8, which we have in our hand, is equals to 94. Keep 4 here and 9 in hand. Now we'll pick up 3 set of columns from left. 2, 5, 3, 6 and 4, 7. 7 into 2 is 14, 5 into 4 is 20, 6 into 3 is 18, 14 plus 20 plus 18 is equals to 52. 52 plus 9, which we have in our hand, is equals to 61. Keep 1 here and 6 in hand. This time again, we'll pick up 2 set of columns from left, 2, 5 and 3, 6. 5 into 3 is 15, plus 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 plus 6, which we have in our hand, is equals to 33. Keep 3 here and 3 in hand. Finally, we'll pick up 1 set of column from left, 2 and 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 3, which we have in our hand, is equals to 13. Here you have total of 133,14910. Example number 3. 3, 4, 5, 6 into 7, 8, 9, 4. Now we'll pick up 1 set of column 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is 24. Keep 4 here below this line and 2 in hand. This time we'll pick up 2 set of columns 6, 4 and 5, 9. 5 into 4 is 20, plus 9 into 6 is 54. 20 plus 54 is equals to 74. 74 plus 2, which we have in our hand, is equals to 76. Keep 6 here and 7 in hand. Similarly, we'll pick up 3 sets of columns 6, 4, 5, 9 and 4, 8. 4 into 4 is 16, plus 8 into 6 is 48, plus 5 into 9 is 45. 16 plus 48 plus 45 is equals to 109. 109 plus 7, which we have in our hand, is equals to 116. Keep 6 here and 11 in hand. Again, we'll pick up 4 set of columns 6, 4, 5, 9, 4, 8 and 3, 7. 4 into 3 is 12, plus 7 into 6 is 42, plus 8 into 5 is 40, plus 9 into 4 is 36. 12 plus 42 plus 40 plus 36 is equals to 130. 130 plus 11, which we have in our hand, is equals to 141. 1 here and 14 in hand. Now we'll pick up 3 set of columns from left, 59, 48 and 37. 7 into 5, 35, plus 9 into 3, 27, plus 8 into 4 is 32. 35 plus 27 plus 32 is 94. 94 plus 14, which we have in our hand, is equals to 108. Keep 8 here and 10 in hand. This time again, we'll pick up 2 set of columns from left, 4, 8 and 3, 7. 7 into 4 is 28, plus 8 into 3 is 24. 28 plus 14 is 42. 42 plus 10, which we have in our hand, is equals to 52. Keep 2 here and 5 in hand. Finally, we'll pick up 1 set of column from left, 3 and 7. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 plus 5, which we have in our hand, is 27. Here you have total of 27281664. With this, we conclude the third part of 4-digit multiplication. A little more practice will help you to calculate such numbers with lightning speed. If you like this video, please press the like button, comments, share and subscribe. If you are interested to learn more about mental maths and its techniques, please refer to the book link given below. Thank you very much for your appreciation. See you in next tutorial with such interesting and important topics. Thank you.